Hello everyone, welcome back to the gold technical analysis section with Mukmik again. So the gold is now clearly an uptrend in some time frames, but it is still, pretty much a downtrend in the daily time frame. So the tricks, how to trade on this kind of market, I'll give you a little bit the idea on that for today. Okay, so let's go straight to the charts. We will need to start with the daily time frame. As I said, in the daily time frame, it is still a downtrend because this swing high has not been broke out. Alright, so this swing high is really important for the daily time frame to tell that the price might reverse from being a downtrend into an uptrend. Alright, so this one is a very significant resistance for the daily time frame. So the price have been pushed up by this demand zone. Okay, do we have any supports here? Not very clear supports for the current price that we are at the moment. So what about the supply zone though? So the supply zone, we are having it around here. Okay, so we have our supply zone, demand zone, and also a very significant resistance. Let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. So what I talked about that, okay, it might reverse into an uptrend already is from this 4 hours time frame, alright? Because it was this swing high that I told you that this one is very important in the 4 hours time frame to tell if the price is going to change the direction, as it used to be a very strong downtrend. Okay, so in the 4 hours time frame, it is possibilities that the price is changing the direction into an uptrend, right? And we have our demand zone here in the daily time frame that was formed from yesterday. Okay, and what else? So we have a very clear support here for the 4 hours time frame, which is around 1830. So I'll give it the round number. Okay, so what about the supply zone? I'll say the supply zone in the 4 hours time frame, there's no strong supply zone available. Okay, they are pretty weak. So this supply zone is weak, this one is weak as well, and this one is weak. So I would not give any weight on the supply zone, but I will be very careful on this resistance. And if you want to draw it as a zone for resistance, I'll say it's around here. Alright, so this is the resistance zone. It is not a supply zone, but it could have a selling power around here. That's for the 4 hours time frame. What do we have in the 1 hour time frame? Okay, so in the 1 hour time frame, we are having our new demand zone here. And can we go for a buy here? I'll say yes. Okay, so this is going to be the first plan at around 1836, and the second plan, of course, at our support 1830 for today. Alright, what about the selling plan? Okay, for the selling plan, there's no clear price structure here that I could give you an exact number, but I could tell you the pattern that you could be looking for today. Okay, so the first one is that you have the classic divergence here. What is a classic divergence? So you have a higher high for the price, but the RSI is not following the price, so you have the lower high for the classic divergence. That's one of the signal that you could go for a sell at around this resistant region. Another pattern that you could be looking for is this low twice, okay, for selling. So if you have the low twice here, you will need to use your Fibonacci extension to find the exact entry points for the selling plan. Okay, I could not give you any number, but I could tell you that this resistance at 1847, I'll give 1850 as well, because that's the round number, would be our resistance for the whole day. Okay, so that's done for today. If I have any update on our plans, I'll give you on our Telegram. If you haven't joined me, please do so. I'll leave the registration link down below. It is going to be our website, so you need to fill in the form on our website and we will let you in. Alright, so for today, I hope you learned something new. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, please click the subscribe button for us and follow me on the Bravo Trade Academy Global fan page. I will be publishing our English content every Monday and Wednesday. Alright, so it is going to be the trading tutorial, so very useful on your trades. Okay, so I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.